I'm going to go ahead and do a test pull on this old Ibanez neck, and I've seen a lot of people online put water, like with a brush, on the fretboard first to soften up the wood so you don't get chips when you pull the old frets out. But I'm going to use this Dunlop fretboard oil. I thought that would be a little better than water. And so going to heat up the fret with a soldering iron, and then start with the getting the corner loose with the pliers, and then come under the pliers with this chip stopper and slide that right up under the fret to help avoid chip out and keep the fretboard in good shape. There may not be any glue if the neck has never had a refret done, and either way this is supposed to be helpful in loosening the fret. Alright, so I've got a good start, and just slide this under and kind of walk it out little by little. Okay, so see, that came out pretty clean.